guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a secret code in a Treasury Telegram airdrop. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So as you can see, here is the interface of my Treasury Telegram airdrop. So all you need to do is to come this section. Like first we have to see which is the tax that is available for us. So after you click on this section, we have to come on activities again. Don't forget the tax is always on activities, so you have to come and click on start and then enter the code. So let's click on enter the code. So the code is Mozart. So let's click on check. As you can see, like, congratulations to us, we have get the correct code. So let's click on continue. So we have successfully collected the code. So let's back to our main interface of the Treasury Telegram airdrop. So as you can see, this icon like similar to something which is like it is always it is like the name is Mozart. So let's click on it so that we can see what is happening like on this icon. So the icon like it is like sounds sounds vibrate or sound bringing, like it's used to like play some sound for us. So my last advice about of this Treasury airdrop, so please if you don't take it serious, so definitely I will advise you to take this Treasury very serious, because everything which is come with it within the short time, or everything that has a not take a longer time, like for his time to like accumulate what you can accumulate, so definitely is used to cook better. So here is all what I want to share with you guys. So, and again, whenever like you start the you are not late to start the Treasury Telegram airdrop since we have not completed, even though like if it is today that you started Treasury airdrop, so definitely you are going to collect all the tax that we have collected before you are joining the Treasury airdrop. So it is not harder than like you are expecting. This it is just a Telegram airdrop, like similar to docs. Like this one definitely it's gonna be like cook better than we are thinking. Some then people like, I think since the drop has been out, so definitely there was something bigger that are going to be happening in a Tom blockchain, because Tom blockchain lost its like value. So but now Tom blockchain is retracing to its value. So here it is. So let's click on this sound again and hear it. So here it is. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.